Hello student, welcome back to our class 4 science. I am your Shubhi ma'am. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. In today's class, we are going to revise our previous topic only, that is plant in the surrounding and environment, in which we are going to discuss about leaf photosynthesis and transpiration, which is our lesson plan for 6th August 2020. Now student, already we have discussed about parts of the plants. In parts of the plants, root, shoot, and in shoot, stem we have already discussed. Today we are going to discuss about leaf. Now what is leaf? Leaf is a flat surface growing from the stem or branches of a plant. It is green in color due to the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll in them. This leaf has many common parts in it. Like your first is your petiole. Petiole, it grows in the leaf which attach the leaf from the branches to the leaf blade. That is your lamina. We call it as a lamina. Lamina is the another part which is your flat surface of the leaf. Now this petiole, it extends from the middle of the lamina to the tip of the leaf. This middle from where it is going, we call it as a midrib. And the tip where it is joining, that tip we are calling it as a leaf apex. Then from this midrib, there are many branches that are growing in the leaf blade, that is your lamina, which we call it as a veins. Next is there are small pores which we cannot see, that is under the surface of the leaf, which we call it as a stomata. Through this stomata, this leaf exchange gases like your carbon dioxide and oxygen. Now we come to the functions of the leaf. What are the functions of the leaf? There are many functions of the leaf. Now first main function of the leaf is to produce food, and that's why we call this leaf as a kitchen of the plant. Next function is it exchange gases like your carbon dioxide and oxygen. Then next function is your storage, that is food storage. Leaves also, as it make the food, it also store the food in them which we are eating it. Next function is your transpiration. And last function is your vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means reproduction. This reproduction in few plants only it take place. Like your example is your bryophyllum. Next we come to your another function, that is main function of the leaf, that is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, it is the process by which leaf produce food using your energy from the sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and your water and minerals from the soil. This photo means in leaf means photo means light and synthesis means putting together. That means this with the help of light, this leaf put together all these things, that is your carbon dioxide, water and mineral, and make food which we call it as a glucose. And also byproduct, one more thing is prepared by this leaf, that is your oxygen, which is released in the atmosphere by the leaf through the stomata. Next we go to the next function, another important function, that is your transpiration. Transpiration, it is the process in which leaf release extra water in the form of water vapor through this stomata. When this leaf release this extra water from the stomata, it helps the whole plant to cool down themselves. So I think all of you understand what is photosynthesis and what is transpiration. With this, we finish this class. I hope all of you will stay safe and fine. Thank you, students.